Alright. Another video. Hope y'all having an amazing morning. It is currently 8:42 Eastern Standard Time. I think that's how you say it. Where I currently reside right now. Yeah, man. My day, well, hasn't really started yet, but so far it's not too bad. Got a roof over my head, clothes on my back, can't complain. I'll block that. I got a bunch of would you rather questions here, so I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna have this on while I'm gonna be on the game practicing, so. Yeah, let's get into it. First question is, would you rather have an unlimited gift card to your favorite restaurant or favorite clothing store? I'm not gonna lie, I'm choosing the restaurant because you can live off that. Like, if you have an unlimited gift card, like, you don't gotta ever pay for food ever again. Like, clothes is nice, but like, if I have an infinite gift card to my favorite restaurant, that's an infinite food glitch, bruh. I would never go hungry ever. I would never have to buy food ever again. Now, of course, like, I'm probably gonna end up getting other stuff because I don't want to eat there like every day of my life. But like, if something happened in my life, I don't know, I'll be all right with food. So I'm definitely choosing an infinite gift card for a restaurant. What do you think? Infinite McDonald's gifts. Infinite McDonald's gift card sounds nice. Now that I think about it. But if I had to choose a restaurant to get to have like an infinite gift card, I probably wouldn't choose McDonald's. Even though I like McDonald's a lot, long term it's not good for my health. So, nah, I'm lying. I'm picking McDonald's. Nah, I'm picking McDonald's. Alright, question 2. Would you rather not know what you're doing tomorrow for 10 years or know exactly what you're doing every day for the next 10 years? Okay, I'm going to reread that. Nah, I'd rather not know. I'd rather not know, bro. Yeah, I'd rather not know. Because if I know what I'm going to do if I know exactly what I'm going to do every day for the next 10 years, and it's not where I want to be, I'm going to be mad disappointed, bro. Plus, it's like, if I see how my life is going to be in 10 years, and it's not the way I want, I'm going to try to change it. But it's like, can I even change that? Like, can I make that even change? If it's something that's bad, that junk will haunt me. I'd rather just not know and try to be something good, bro. Yeah, Would you rather never see your best friend again or never speak to them ever again? Well, I don't know. I'm kind of already used to not seeing some of my homeboys a lot. So, if I don't see them again, like, it'll be unfortunate, but, like, even because it's like, it says rather see or rather speak. So, if you do see them, you can't even talk to them. So, it's like, I'd rather at least be able to talk to them. So, that's what I'll do. Yeah, I'd rather never, like, see them again. Alright. Would I rather be rich or famous? I'm definitely just gonna be rich, bro. I know it's like, how you gonna say you'd rather be rich than famous but you on YouTube? But you know, and I do appreciate all like, you know, all the supporters I will have, and all the supporters, like people that watch my videos now. I do greatly appreciate it. But in all honesty, bro, I don't think it's bad to just want to have the money. And when you're very famous, a lot of things could happen to you, like weird people being behind you, like weird people trying to like see you and stuff like that. Like it puts your life more at a risk, which, yes, I know it comes with it, but like if I could just be rich, I'm just gonna be rich. I would just avoid it. I would just avoid being famous. Especially like streamers. Like I'm not really a streamer, but I'm not a streamer, but like I could only imagine like a famous streamer saying like if like where they went got leaked or something. I know like there would be a bunch of people that would go and like just be weird. I feel like things like that are annoying. I would definitely try to stay away from that. Would you rather be covered neck to toe in tattoos or have one big face tattoo? Oh, neck to toe. Okay, would you rather be covered neck to toe with tattoos or have one big face tattoo? I'm gonna go neck and below, bro. Yeah. I'm not a big tattoo person, but like at least if you don't have tats on your face, you can cover it up. They'll see it on your hands, but that's about it. You can just wear long sleeves, some pants, and some shoes, you know. Which is not optimal for every time of the year, especially summer. But I mean, hey, I'm not a tattoo person though, so I wouldn't like the fact that I would even have to do that. But I'm not gonna not answer the question because I don't want to get tattoos. So, but yeah, I would get neck down, definitely. All right. Would you rather wash your hands would you rather have to wash your hands every 5 minutes and never be able to wash your hands ever again? Oh. Or never be able to wash your hair ever again. Okay, so wash your hands every 5 minutes or never be able to wash your hair ever again. Washing your hands, I mean, I guess like I wash my hands every 5 minutes. Because, like, never washing your hair ever again is crazy. But that would be very annoying, y'all. Like, every single 5 minutes having to wash your hands. But, yeah, I'm going to choose that one. At least I'm clean, right? I'm going to be washing my hands like I'm a germaphobe or something. Alright. Would you rather hop everywhere or skip everywhere? I guess skip everywhere. Hopping sounds more exhausting. Yeah, hopping sounds more exhausting. I'll probably skip everywhere. Would you rather have an unlimited supply of makeup and skincare, or your own home by age 30? I mean, I guess my own house. If I know I'll have a house, then unlimited like skincare is cool, and I don't even need the makeup part. But yeah, if I know I have a home, I could just buy skincare. If I have a home, like, what does it say on the question? Own your own home. Yeah, if I own my own home, that junk already paid off. I could buy like whatever skincare I need. Yeah, I'm definitely choosing a house. But even if I already have a house and that's another house, even better, bro. So. Yeah, even better. Okay. Would you rather become friends with your celebrity crush or go on a date with them? Nah, I'll be friends with Cardi B. Like a date is cool, but like, there's no guarantee of us speaking after that. But if I'm friends with Cardi B, that's gonna be cool. Like we can hang out more often. You know what I'm saying? W Cardi B. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I will be friends with Cardi B. Play some of her songs on the aux as we're going to hang out. All right. Would you rather have? Would you rather have to never commute to work again, or always have a 3-day weekend? Nah, never having to drive to work or like go to work sounds it just sounds more useful. I mean, a 3-day weekend is cool, like, but most people use weekends to just enjoy their time. Like, I'd rather work more and not have to drive or walk to or commute to work. It's more useful. I think it's just more overall useful, especially for like people who don't have like a car and stuff. Like if you don't got a car, that's like a superpower. All right. Would you rather Would you rather Kim Kardashian or Kris Jenner was your mother? I don't even know who Kris Jenner is. Like I don't know how she looks. Actually, let me look her up. But I don't know any like. Oh, that's just a girl. Okay. But I don't know how any of these people act. Like I've never watched a Kim Kardashian or none of that. I don't even know. Like I don't know how they act. I guess Kim Kardashian. Both of them have a lot of surgery on their face though. But I guess that don't matter. I don't know who's a better mom though. I don't know like their mentally traits, but I guess Kim Kardashian, due to lack of knowledge. Would you rather have to do a handstand after every meal or a cartwheel? I would say a handstand because when I was a kid, I used to when I was a kid, I used to always try to do handstands for as long as I could. Um, yeah, so I guess it would be more fun to try to like go back and do that as a kid again. And cartwheels are cool, but like I don't know. I never tried to do cartwheels like that. When I was smaller, I always tried to do handstands. It was more, I guess it was just more fun to me. All right, let's see. Would you rather have a super slow internet or a low phone battery? I'd rather have a low phone battery because even if I keep my phone battery and have slow internet, you'll get a lot less stuff done because your internet is super slow. Like with the low battery like phone and like regular pace like or fast internet, you can get more done. So at least that's how I see it. Yo, I'm messing up. It's okay, I'm learning. Alright, let's see. Okay. You can only hear you can only hear one song for the rest of your life. Would you rather Baby by Justin Bieber or Red by Taylor Swift? Well, time to look these up. Four years ago. Okay. Let's see. Alright, this one is Red by Taylor Swift. Alright, 2 unskippable ads. YouTube. Okay, this Taylor Swift song, this one she definitely, in my opinion, she has better songs for sure. It's not, it's not unlistenable though. Like it's not like terrible. Okay, let's see, Baby. Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm tripping. Okay. I thought this song had another name, but yeah, I'm choosing Baby for sure. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Justin Bieber definitely. Okay. Would you rather be a character in your favorite TV show or your favorite TV show not exist? I mean, that's easy for me. I like One Piece. I guess that's not really a TV show, but I don't watch anything else, so you know, it just is what it is. So, but yeah, it's a lot of characters in One Piece that I don't want to be like. So, and having One Piece not exist, I don't know. Nah, One Piece not existing is like, nah, bro. That can't happen, bro. I need One Piece. I'm not gonna lie. I'll probably be Kobe off One Piece. You know what I'm saying? I'll be Kobe and I'll be alright. Alright, I'm gonna go back to typing. But yeah, okay, let's see, next question. Would you rather be unable to see search? Would you rather be unable to use search engines like Google ever again, or unable to use social media I can live without Google because YouTube counts. I guess YouTube is social media. So if I have any questions, I can look it up on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Um, I don't really care for Instagram, but I do. I do be on TikTok though. So yeah, I definitely. They're both dumb useful. That means I can't even cheat on AI though if I had an if I went back to school. So I guess if I was in school, I'll just have to do without YouTube. But I'm not in school right now, so Google. I'll be fine without Google. Would you rather be a famous celebrity or married to a famous celebrity? It depends on my circumstances. Like I'm cool being married to a celebrity as long as I don't like leech off them. Like if I already have my own career and all that, and I just happen to marry a famous girl, like that's fine with me. I ain't really tripping. She could actually no, nah. I lied, bro. I lied, bro. Yeah, I'll be famous, bro. Yeah, I'll be famous, bro. Alright, let me exit this. Go back here. Okay, it's already here. Yeah, I'll definitely do that, bro. Alright. Would you rather live inside of your would you rather live inside your favorite childhood movie or book? Okay, I guess my favorite childhood book would be probably either Captain Underpants or Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So those are not bad options. Um, my favorite movie. Let's see, what's my favorite movie, and then I'll answer. Okay, I like the the Black Annie movie. That's one of the movies I watched a lot growing up. Um, Home with the alien dude with the girl, and like she lost her mom. She was trying to find her mom. That movie made me dumb emotional. But as a kid, let's see what other movie. Okay, now that Justin Bieber movie song is stuck in my head, and I barely even heard the song for 10 seconds, so that's fun. Okay, Monsters vs. Aliens. That was a cool movie, but I'm not living in there though. I low key would probably say that I was just being Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Like, as long as I'm not one of the main cast people, I'll just be like a regular high school kid. Like, and I could just still do whatever I want, like that I'm doing like right now. Like my life wouldn't change too much as long as I'm not like one of the main people. And as long as I don't get the cheese touch, I'm good. But hey, I mean, let me think. Home is not bad either. Home is actually not, because the aliens. It depends on when I'm in home. Because if I'm in home during a time where like the aliens are trying to like invade the planet to look for the egg, like that would be a bit scary. I might actually rewatch that movie. That movie is a great movie. Yeah, no, I'm gonna just choose Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I'll just be a high school kid. I'm chilling. I'm chilling with that. Okay. Would you rather live? Okay, I just asked that. I'm tripping. Would you rather be able to do a perfect smoky eye or contour? I don't know, ball chat. We just gonna go to the next question. Would you rather fly to space and discover a new planet, or go on a deep submarine adventure to discover a new underwater kingdom? That's actually kind of hard. All right, let's say we could like leave the firmament and go to other planets. That would be cool. I think the like if you go underwater, there's gonna definitely be a lot to like see. But I think if I go to a whole other planet, there's more for me to like. There's more to like see. Cause it's a whole, it's a whole other planet. So I might just do that. Plus, like the thought of being in space, like it's scary, but it's also cool. Like, so I'll probably go to another planet and explore that and explore it. Assuming we could leave the firmament. All right, let's see. Would you rather live on a peaceful tropical island or in a bustling big city? Yeah, give me the tropical island, bro. I ain't worried about the city. Y'all can have that. I just need, yeah, give me that island, bro. I got my nice peace of mind. I got my natural landscapes to look at. You know what I'm saying? I can still like hunt and make food, or like, I can still have access to my own food. Like, yeah, I'm gonna live like I'm off the grid and just have that, you know what I'm saying? Have that island to myself. Preferably, I would live alone, which I guess is good because a lot of people will want to live in the city anyway, so I don't really got to worry about that. But if I was there with like someone, who would I even be there with? Let me think. Probably my future wife, maybe. Yeah, that's probably about it. I wouldn't want to live there with anybody else. Like, people could visit, but I wouldn't want to live there with anybody else. Would you rather be an artist or an influencer? I guess an influencer. I think by an artist they mean like a person who makes some type of music. So yeah, I would be an influencer. But if they're talking about any type of artist, then I already draw. So yeah, I guess in that sense I'm already an artist. But if they mean music, which is what I'm kind of assuming, yeah, I'll just be a regular influencer. I don't have like a real passion to like make music. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Would you rather have to start a new job every year until you retire, or only have one job for your entire career? I'm getting a new job every year. Like, the only way, like, I feel like if I had a new job every year, it would teach me a lot about life, and I'll learn how to do like a lot of things. Like, if I had to be like, since I have to do like every job every year, I learn a lot more because I'm doing a lot more things. Plus, I'll never really be bored. Like I know like there's always gonna be something new for me every year. So I'll look to do that. Like, but only like if I was able to keep the job that I could do forever, I guess that would make the question better. And that might be the case, but that might be the context of it. But I don't even know what I would do forever. Probably YouTube actually. I guess if it's YouTube, you know what I'm saying, then yeah, I'll just do YouTube. I'm not gonna lie. Cause I could still live my life and just record it and then just make sure I make my videos. So actually, yeah, I'll do YouTube. I lied. But if I couldn't make money online, like, then I'll definitely choose a new job every year. I'm thinking about like even regard. Yeah, I'm still choosing. Yeah. Plus with YouTube, I can like I could do a bunch of different things to make it feel different. So I would definitely do that. Okay, let's see. Would you rather? Okay. Would you rather live in a canal boat or in an RV for the rest of your life? Probably an RV. Probably an RV. Okay. If you could have one professional beauty treatment done for the rest of your life, would it rather be hair or nails? I guess my nails. I don't. Well, I don't. But I think this is slightly more catered to females. Like me, I don't need to do nothing with my hair. But all I gotta do is clip and clean my nails. But I guess I would choose my nails. I would have a professional clean and take care of my nails. You know what I'm saying? Would you rather be an Olympic athlete or a world famous scientist? That's actually a good question. Do I want to be like Vegapunk off One Piece? Isn't powerlifting like an Olympic sport? If it is, then I'll just be a powerlifter. I already lift weights, so it would just be me trying to get stronger. So I guess it would be I'll be an Olympic athlete. Alright, let's see. Would you rather spend your money traveling the world but have a few personal possessions, or have a really amazing house but never leave your hometown? Yeah, I'm traveling the world, bro. I'm gonna be like Luffy, bro. I'm traveling the world, bro. Having a big house is nice, but like, what am I going, like, if I can't leave my hometown, like, I mean, I guess it's not bad. Like, if you still have everything you need, like, you still got grocery stores, you still got, like, you know, you could definitely live, but like, no, I'm traveling the world. I'm traveling the world. Like, if I stayed in my hometown all the time, I'm gonna feel like Aaron, like before he left the walls. and Attack on Titan. Okay, wait, I might. Nah, okay, I won't be able to get a record. Okay, I see you. If you could only choose one type of holiday for the rest of your life, would you rather a beach or a city vacation? The beach. Probably the beach. I don't know. I'm a nature guy, so if it's any like question like where it's like a bunch of buildings in a city or just like a natural landscape or something, I'm gonna choose the natural landscape. Okay. Would you rather have to wear all black every day for the rest of your life, or mix every color of the rainbow into your outfit every day? All black is fine. An all black aesthetic isn't bad at all. But I would say if you do choose like every color and you gotta cycle it out, I guess you could be a lot more creative with like the look of like how you dress and stuff. But I'm cool with the all black. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's see if I do good on this typing run. No, I messed up at the end. Okay. That's fine. Can't complain. Okay, let's see. Would you rather live within walking distance of your office or live far away from your office but you have your own driver? I guess walking distance. Car rides are like, I do like car rides though. I don't really drive like that though, so I don't know like when I start driving a lot, like will I like driving, but car rides are nice. So yeah, I don't have an issue with walking at all, but yeah, I like car rides, so I'll probably just yeah. But they can't be too long though. Like plus it also depends on who's in the car with me. Like if my driver's cool, then yeah. But if not, then I guess like walking there is fine. Alright, let's see. Okay, would you rather only eat spicy food for the rest of your life, or never be able to eat spicy food again? Yeah, I mean, I'm cool off spicy food. I don't even eat spicy food like that, so that's not even a hard question for me. Would you rather write a cookbook or a novel? Definitely a novel. Would you rather have a guaranteed hot summer but freezing winter, or an unpredictable summer and average winters? I guess unpredictable summer and average winters. Not really a big explanation for that one, but you know, except you know, it's just nice that the weather's switching up and it ain't the same every year. Would you rather live in an escape room or a game of Clue? I don't even know what a game of Clue is. Let me look that up. What is a game A classic murder mystery board game where players use deduction to solve crime. Okay. I get. I don't know. Probably. Okay. A classic murder mystery board game where players use deduction to solve a crime. If they're solving a crime, like, does that mean someone's trying to like come after me or something? Because if that's the case, I'm just gonna go to an escape room. But it also depends on who I'm in the escape room with. Because a lot of people get in escape rooms and start panicking and stuff. Like, I don't. I want to be able to think somewhat clearly at least when I'm in the escape room. So I guess I'll choose an escape room. Would rather never be able to smell your favorite candle again, or never taste freshly baked cookies. I don't even smell candles like that, so that's not really a loss for me. Would you rather never listen to your favorite artist's music again, but be friends with them, or have front row seats to all their gigs, but they have no idea I exist? I'll probably never listen to their music again, but be friends with them. Yeah, I'll never hear their music again, and they are my favorite artists, but I could benefit a lot from being friends with someone who does decent networking. It could help me benefit my life. And however they want to be compensated for helping me, I'll do that. But yeah, because going to all their concerts and stuff is cool, but like, if they don't know who if they don't know who I am or nothing like that, like, I won't be able to elevate in my life. I'm just gonna be a top fan, which, if that's you and you want to do that, more power to you. I respect it, bro. Would you rather your kitchen was full of all black appliances or all pink? Definitely all black. Would you rather give the best gifts or the best advice? Best advice, I guess, would be better face value, but not everybody's always able to listen. But for the people who do listen, I'll dramatically change their life if it is something serious. So I'm still gonna go with best advice. Would you rather be known for your good taste in movies or your good taste in art? I'd probably say movies. Would you rather only be able to receive likes on Instagram but not give them? Or only be able to give likes but not receive them? I'd rather only be able to receive likes and not give them. Would you rather be a Kardashian or a Hilton? I don't know, because I don't know who those people are. Would you rather be a Kourtney or Khloe? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know these people. Okay. Would you rather live in a penthouse apartment or a huge mansion? Probably a penthouse. Probably a penthouse. I imagine it depends on where the mansion at and like how I look. But I'll probably go for a penthouse. I don't need no huge space. Would you rather be a model or photographer? Probably a photographer. Would you rather be an incredible cartoonist or an amazing portrait artist? Okay, let's look up what a cartoonist actually is. An artist who create cartoons and comic offers. Oh, a cartoonist. Okay, I guess it's just an animator. Well, Not only that, but yeah, I'll be a cartoonist definitely. Okay. Would you rather never go on a vacation again or never meet the love of your life? Okay, this one's kind of hard because I do want to travel. Like, I want to see like natural landscapes. Like, that would give me like the best sense of peace that I could possibly imagine. But if I don't ever meet the love of my life, like, dang, like that's going. I don't. Dang, that's kind of hard. I'm trying to think. Cause I do want to have a family and have kids, man. I guess I'll sacrifice what I want for my kids. So yeah, I'll sacrifice seeing the world. Unfortunately, I'm gonna let my wife and kids enjoy their life. You know, I'll deal with not being able to do it. Would you rather own only one pair of shoes or only one coat? One coat is fine. Let's see. I'm gonna answer a few more questions, and then yeah, we'll see. Okay. Would you rather be able to eat yogurt or only be able to eat peanut butter? So only eat yogurt or only eat peanut butter? I'll say yogurt. Peanut butter is good, but yogurt is easier to like. Yogurt's easier to like eat. Like if I can only eat peanut butter, well, I guess certain peanut butters you can eat easily. But I'm still sticking with yogurt. Plus, there's more variety in yogurt. Like, I could get different types of yogurt. Would you rather be followed around by a cat or a dog all day? Definitely a dog. Oh, nah, if I think if a random cat started following me, I'll be like, nah, what's going on? But if it's a dog, like, I'll be a bit confused, but like, I will be more at ease knowing it's a dog. Would you rather live with your best friend or your partner? Um, I guess, yeah, my partner. Yeah, my partner. Would you rather never receive a Christmas gift again, but spend the holiday with your family, or always receive amazing gifts, but spend every holiday alone? I'm gonna spend time with my people. I don't really. Yeah, I'll be fine without getting gifts. Plus, I don't really talk to my people like that, so I at least want to see them at least once a year. Would you rather give up bubble baths but have an amazing shower, or be able to have bubble baths but just showers would just be a trickle of water? Well, I don't take bubble baths anyway, so I'll have my amazing showers. Would you rather have eyebrow hair that never stops growing, or knuckle hair that never stops growing? Okay, they both sound annoying, but I'd rather have knuckle hair that never stops growing. Cause if your eyebrows never stop going, it'll get annoying to get all over your face and stuff. All right, I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna scroll and I'm gonna pick one more question. Okay. Would you rather clog the toilet on your first day of work or on a first date? Okay, this is definitely a question to end off the video. It's gonna have to be at work, low key. It's gonna have to be. I can't do that on my first date. That's nah. This could be my future. This could be my future wife. But the only bad thing about the like, even if it happens on a date, like, it's fine because you don't gotta talk to that girl again. What makes it bad at work is like that's your job, so you always gotta show up. I feel like eventually it'll turn into a joke though, but at first it would definitely be very embarrassing. Yeah. Dang, but I ain't gonna lie, that's a hard question. Yeah, I'm gonna do it at my job. Bump it. Why not? Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all agree with some of my takes or not, if you made it to this point in the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. And I will see y'all. What's today? I don't even know what today is. Today is Wednesday. So I will see y'all on Friday. Y'all have an amazing Thursday. And yeah.